digital journal entry. एंड ऑल्सो ये जो जर्नल एंट्री है ये मैं पहले से ही मैंने अपने इस चीज़ को अपनी डायरी में लिखा हुआ था, और एक्चुअली मैंने इसको एग्जैक्टली 1 साल पहले लिखा था इन द ईयर 2025 1 अप्रैल, एंड आज है 1 अप्रैल 2026. सो आई रियली वॉन्ट कि मैं कुछ डिफरेंट करूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं मैंने जो पहले लिखा हुआ है मैंने अपने डायरी जर्नल एंट्रीज में, मैं उसको आप लोग के साथ शेयर करूँ. यू पीपल, आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विथ दिस wonderful YouTube community. Yeah, and I love doing it. So let's get started. So I have already written in my diary, and ये मेरा 2025 का डायरी है, and ये अभी तक चल रहा है. मैंने इसे पूरा कंप्लीट भी नहीं किया. It's like इतना हो चुका है. तो let's see क्या लिख रहा है. Okay. तो ये टॉपिक था कि मैं बहुत ही सोच रही, मैं मतलब अभी भी मेरे साथ होता है कि जब भी मैं कुछ देखती हूँ या किसी भी इंसान को देखती हूँ, तो मैं सिर्फ उन्हें देखती नहीं हूँ, मैं उनमें बहुत डीपली मैं घुस जाती हूँ. कोई भी हो, लाइक a very random person who is just walking down the street, a person who I'm watching on the other side of the screen, like anyone, like everyone actually, everyone and anyone. So diary entry ऐसे शुरू होती है. I don't know if this is weird or not, but I feel like I experience people differently. Like when I watch someone on screen, I don't just watch them. I feel like I know them. Not in a creepy way, not in a weird or woo-woo way, but in a quite internal way. Like I can almost step into their life for a second. Like I'm almost with them. Like I am, when they are brushing their teeth, I am with them, brushing my teeth also. Isn't it very weirdly amazing? I know it is. For me it is. I start wondering what are they doing right now when their camera is off, or like if I see someone walking down the streets, or if I see someone when if I see someone when I am outside of my house and I see someone like doing things which is so random, I feel like wow, I want to know how they live their life. What are their inner monologues? What are they thinking when they are not in the road and when they are in their home and their houses? And I also feel like when I see people living on both sides, I feel like how their life can be like. I know it sounds very weird and very like I'm being a pick me type of thing, but I want to live life like everyone, like the rich of the richest and the poor of the poorest. And not, I know like people have problem in their lives, and we can't even like think कि इतने सारे problems हैं हम लोगों को दुनिया में, मतलब हम सोच भी नहीं सकते हम कितने grateful हैं. And I'm really grateful for my life, but still I want to be everything, like a stone, a dust, a air, every human being, every animals, every deep sea creature. And I want to know what goes inside their mind and what they feel and how they live. Like yeah, I want to be like that. I just I can think of the shallowest thing, like what their room looked like, what kind of thoughts do they have when no one is around, or deepest of the deepest things, like how do they like I don't know, I think so many things at the same time. Like is like, for example, I am a huge fan. I'm not a huge fan, but I will say I like watching dramas not K dramas only, like from my childhood, like from when I'm just a kid. I love to watch dramas, Indian serials, movies, cartoons, and I'm so much obsessed with my TV. So, for example, if I watch a drama like, for say, I love to watch Yodha Akbar, an Indian series. If you are interested, please go and watch that series. It's amazing. Up to some extent, up to some episodes, it's amazing. After that, it's just, you know, over dramatic, cliche type of story. Up to some point, it's very amazing. And I don't know after that. Okay, so I used to think that when I watched that drama, I used to think that this sun and the moon, they have saw those Jodha and Akbar in real life too, and they are so much lucky because the sun and the moon is from the starting. So I'm like, why can't I be the sun? Why can't I be the moon? Because if I am the sun, if I am the moon, I can literally see everyone from starting to end, and it's so amazing. It's so amazing for me. Like, this concept is so amazing. So yeah, and it just goes deeper and deeper, and sometimes like, you know, many times I feel like I want to be them. I just don't want to, you know, see what their life is, how they're living their life and how their life looks like. I want to be them, not in a creepy way, please don't make me think like I'm in some creepy way. And not because also I hate my life or anything. No, I love my life, I actually adore my life, but because I want to feel what their life feels like. And I don't know what that says about me. I really don't know what that says about me. Maybe it means I'm too much in my head. Yeah, I am. And maybe it also means that I'm trying to escape something, or maybe I'm just, you know, running away from my real problems, which I do. But you know, it's not like woo-woo. It's not all crazy. It just gives me relief. It makes me feel things too deeply. It is nothing to be embarrassed about. Like, I don't feel embarrassed when I think like this. I actually feel like, oh wow, it's wonderful, it's amazing. And I think I just connect with the world this way. It's a way that I feel most profound and most alive. It's a way how I am living the life right now, like thinking about how other people are living. And yeah, I am thinking, okay, मेरे दिमाग में ये भी चल रहा है कि जो मैं सोच रही हूँ, whatever I am thinking, there is someone else out there too who is thinking the same. Like, yeah, and I don't know what I don't know how to feel these things sometimes. Like, it's so much. Sometimes it's just so much for me. I feel so overwhelmed by these thoughts. And one thing about me, I don't connect through surface level things. I don't just see people, I feel curious about their entire existence. Yeah, I'm reading this from my diary, you can see. Yeah. And yeah, it makes me feel a little out of place sometimes. Like I am watching life instead of fully being in it. Like, yeah, it feels like sometimes I get so much, you know, sometimes I do get so much detached from my reality, and I feel like I'm not the person here, I'm not the real human being here. I'm just watching humanity, mankind, and I'm watching life happening. I'm not living it actually. Yeah, so it feels so good. Wow, I have made a wonderful coffee. It's a caramel banana coffee, and it's so tasty. So yeah, it makes me feel that I'm not real, and at the same time I'm very much real and alive than anyone else in this world. And I don't know, I'm still figuring it out, and that's why I want to share it with you people, my whimsical dreamers, because I know I'm not the only one who does and think and feel stuff like this. I know there are people like me out there who just feel, think, and say, have a same inner monologue like me. And if you feel like this too, like you slip into people's worlds just by observing them, then maybe we are not weird. Maybe we are just aware in a different way. Yeah. Bye. Not a bye. Actually, I want to say more things like, even if I watch a Ghibli movie, even if I read a novel or a comic or a webtoon, I can't disconnect with them. I connect with them so much deeply. Like I get disconnected with my own life. And I know if it's something, or if it's all magical, or if it's something in my psychology, I don't know. I really want to know, but at the same time I don't want to know, because if I'm too much aware of the thing, like for right now I think this is something magical, and this is something I need to work on my magic powers, something like, oh wow, I got some witchy powers. But if I know it's something psychological, I will be like, damn shit, I am too much in my head and all, some like, so yeah, if someone like me feel the same, you're not weird, you're just amazing, wonderful, and you got a deep empathy and feeler inside you. Evoke it. Be a warrior. We all are a warrior, and we have to stand for each other. We are feelers, and yeah, we have to stand for each other. Bye.